Hey guys, again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa oath-taking ng mga psychometricians and psychologists. So, samahan nyo ako, interview natin yung ilan sa mga bagong psychometricians and psychologists for this day. Okay, so ayan, kasama natin na isa sa bagong psychologists ng Pilipinas. Yes, yan, si Miss Mia. So, ang pinakamahirap na subject sa board licensure examination for psychologists.
Okay, so for me, syempre, it's assessment and then next is psychotherapy. Since yun naman daw talaga yung mahirap na subject when it comes to the psychologist board exam.
Ayan, so alam niyo na yung mga dapat yung pagandaan. Psychological assessment and psychotherapy. Okay, now we're with another new licensed psychologist. Ayan, nahihiya pa. Okay, si Miss Joyce Jordan. Mrs.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, so yun, meron tayong questions para matulungan yung mga magtitake pa in the future. Siyempre merong filter. Okay, so first question. Ano ang pinakamahirap na subject sa board licensure examination for psychologists?
Charot. Siguro sa akin yung psychotherapy. Kasi parang wala akong masyadong practice or hindi ako nakapagbasa masyado ng libro. Wala naman akong binasa talaga.
Okay, ayan.
Pero yung iba kasi, like, TOP, assessment, saka ABPSych is meron na nung RPM. So, medyo mas madali siya for me. Unlike yung psychotherapy na it's a new whole thing talaga. Plus, yun nga, di ako ganun nagpa-practice pa nun. Since bawal pa naman talaga.
Okay, so dahil yung advanced abnormal psychology, advanced theories of personality, and advanced psychological assessment nasa psychometricians na which you previously took and passed, kaya medyo mas naging madali. Okay, so ayan, kasama naman natin ang isa pang bagong licensed psychologist, si Miss Joni. Ayan, so, pati ka muna sa viewers.
Hello everyone! Hi vlog!
Okay, so tatanungin natin siya, no? Ano ang pinakamahirap na subject for these boards that you just passed?
For me, counseling and psychotherapy. Yon. Given the fact na I have spent a lot of time reading for that subject, kasi yun pa din yung pinaka-nahirapan ako. So, ganun siya ka-stressful for me.
Okay, mukhang ganun nga siya kahirap. Kahit siya yung inaral, no? Medyo unexpected pa rin siguro yung mga naging questions. Okay, so ayan, meron ulit tayong kasama ngayon. Isa sa mga lodi natin, no? In the field of psychology, academics, and research. At isa sa mga recent passers natin sa board licensure examinations for psychologists. At yan, si Sir Argel.
Hello. Good morning to all of you and thank you, sir, for having me here in your content.
Ayan. Okay, so tatanungin din natin siya, no, sa mga bagay na gusto nating malaman with regards to the board licensure examinations for psychologists and psychometricians. Let's start with the first question. Sir Argel, para sa iyo, ano ang naging pinakamahirap na subject while taking the board exam?
Personally, I found the counseling and psychotherapy the most challenging. Kasi maraming questions doon na they did not provide a specific parameter. Like for example, may case, tapos what is the best response without saying kung anong perspective kaya yung best response. So kailangan mo ngayon mamili from your value perspective and professional judgment what could be the best response. I find that most challenging.
Ayun, no, kasi kumbaga wala kang frame of reference.
Exactly.
What approach, no, could be the best. But it would be gusto ko yung term, sir, yung clinical judgment, no, that would give you or point you to the best answer.
That's correct.
Ayan.
Pero kung pagkaiba kayo ng philosophical assumption nung gumawa, meron na tayong problema doon.
So ngayon, meron ulit tayong kasamang bagong pasa sa board licensure examination na ito. At ito ay si Sir Jello. Ayan, Sir Jello, bati ka naman.
Hello po, binabati ko yung mga kababayan ko dyan sa Noveleta, Cavite.
Yun, pasok na pasok. Parang nasa national TV. Ayan.
Magsikat na ako.
Okay, so hopefully, no? Sama mo ko dyan, sir. Okay, so ayan. So, few questions lang. Let's start with this simple question. While taking the board examination, ano ang pinakamahirap na subject para sa'yo?
Hands down talaga, psychotherapy. Talaga, parang mas mahirap pa siya kaysa sa assessment eh. Kasi very situational talaga yung mga questions. Yeah.
Ayun, no? Siguro it's more of the way how the questions are presented.
Yeah, oo. Talaga siya eh. Kasi parang mas maganda talaga nga if may experience ka sa counseling and psychotherapy para masagutan mo siya maayos. Yeah.
Okay, ayun. Thank you so much for that answer, Sir Jello. Okay, so ngayon kasama natin si Sir Fritz na isa ring recent board passer for the licensure examination for psychologists. So, Sir Fritz, pati ka naman muna.
Hello po, magandang umaga sa lahat and sa lahat po nung nakapasa ng board exam, congratulations po.
Okay, ayan. So meron lang kaming few questions for this interview. Unang-una, anong subject para sa'yo ang mahirap while you're taking the board licensure examination for psychologists?
Well, I think for us psychologists, no, definitely counseling and psychotherapy. Kasi very, parang lahat ng answers, lahat ng options parang tamang sagot. So, difficult for me.
Okay, talagang bali choose the best answer, not just the right answer. Okay, we're here again with Sir David. Ayan, isa sa mga bagong psychologists din natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, we just have a few set of questions para sa kanya. Hopefully, matulungan niya tayo in our preparation for the board exam. Okay, Sir David, bati ka naman muna sa ating mga followers and watchers.
Hello, syempre sa supporters of ang tito mong psychologist. Yes, Lodi. Ayan, good morning. Okay. So,
Ang first question
okay.
natin is, ano yung pinakamahirap na
Pinakamahirap.
subject sa board exam?
Dalawa. Okay, psych assessment saka psychotherapy. Yan. Counseling and psychotherapy. Yan. Then
Okay, so yun talagang kailangan nilang paghandaan, no?
yun talaga yung concepts and yung application, no. It's both theoretical and practical. So dapat yun, tuhog yun pareho. It's really combining yung theory and practice tapos yung application niya sa exam kasi most of it are situational. So
Yun.
watch out for
Okay,
that.
gusto ko yung term na yun, tuhog yung dalawang.
Yes.
Ano ang pinakamahirap na subject for this year's psychometrician board exam? So, unahin natin si Miss Marie.
For me, psych assessment talaga.
Psychological assessment. Okay, how about kay Miss John?
While reviewing, for me, psych assessment, pero nung mismong exam na, IO talaga.
Mukhang IO ang IO is for Industrial and Organizational Psychology. Okay, kay Miss Aubrey naman, ano ang pinakamahirap para sa'yo?
Looking back, sir, psych assessment na talaga, sir. Yung pinakamahirap po.
Psychological assessment. So yun, meron tayong psychological assessment and industrial and organizational psychology.